can't see us, but it's Halloween. So right now we're out trick-or-treating, and it's a bit...
how much candy
They've got so much. You can't really see because of how... Oh, there's a street light.
And I'm Vampirina.
Yeah, so this is sort of the costume reveal, and I'm going to do a close-up of their costumes when we get back home.
Yeah.
But Lucy's Vampirina, so anybody who guessed that, I don't know if anybody did, and Holly is Little Red Riding Hood.
If anyone guessed that.
If anybody guessed that. And there's one there. So I'll show you the girls trick-or-treating now. See you later. Whoa, is that cool? I couldn't show the people on camera because of
Skittles.
child protection
I
reasons
like these.
Child.
They gave me these Skittles without no shell, and I actually quite like these. They're chewy.
Oh, okay, that's good. Your outfit, you can probably see your outfit right now, Holly. It looks so cool. Oh my god, let's see your boots. Do they look cool? They got new boots and they're so pretty. Oh my god.
I look like the real Vampirina.
You do. I'll have to put pictures of who you are in the vlog. Say hi, Mum and Dad. The vlog. Oh. There's Dad. Mum, what are you doing?
Hey.
Oh, what? Queen of Halloween. Oh, okay.
Hello.
Hello there.
I've got my...
Mummy's skipping because she is a child.
And Holly is skipping because she's Little Red Riding Hood.
Yep, obviously, because Little Red Riding Hood skips. Oh yeah, I haven't shown my cool outfit yet. Okay, we're going to another trick-or-treater. Their house looks pretty cool. I won't film this one either, so I'll see you guys in a sec.
Whoa. This thing. I've got this thing.
Whoa, that's cool. That's new. From your grandma. This is so cute. You're so cute.
Hello.
You know. Oh, there's one there too. Is that Poppy Edward's house? It's Poppy's house. That one, isn't it? That one. Oh, spooky. Here's Isla's house. Whoa. Probably. Whoa, that's cool. Whose house are we at? Yeah, he's back.
I've had loads.
Just coming in, I think.
They're coming in.
Yeah, we want to come in. We're really cold.
Warm.
Yeah, I'm cold too. Yeah.
Look at, oh, you're scared.
Oh my gosh.
Look at these scary people.
Hello. Are you enjoying yourself, Holly?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Have you got lots of sweets?
We picked up Isla on the way.
Yeah.
Woo!
Oh God,
Look at that house.
Oh gosh, where's she going?
That house looks so cool.
Hey,
guys! It's the Trick Girls, and today is Sunday, and on Tuesday it's Bonfire night, and because I'm at cheerleading and our Grampy is at, that's Lucy's police hack, and my Grampy is at work because he's away, yeah, we can't have fireworks on that day, so today we're having fireworks instead. So my nanny's just making all of the hot dogs and stuff, and we'll there she is, there's our nanny. Oh yeah, Lucy's wearing her hashtag girl power top, which my mum wants to get me one too for a cute little Instagram photo. And Holly is wearing her Ariana top with a little knot.
I got it yesterday.
She did get it yesterday.
I got this yesterday as well.
They got them yesterday. And Holly's ponytail has fallen out a little bit, but yeah. And I'm obviously I've been to cheer today, so I just chucked on a jumper and put my hair in braids. So anyways, we're gonna film tonight, and then we're gonna put the videos from Halloween that we took and from Bonfire night, and we're gonna make them into one big video. Woo!
And my birthday. When will
Your
the
birthday? That's
video
ages ago.
come on?
Oh, I'm not sure. I'm gonna
When is
put
the
that one.
summer vlog coming?
I'm not sure we're going to do them now because I've lost all the videos, unfortunately. Never
So
mind.
guys, if you're wondering where they are,
Yeah.
yes, I've lost them.
Yeah.
So,
So we've actually, well, our mummy and daddy are trying to arrange a day for us to go out to a Christmassy place and surprise
like
us.
Stockwell Park.
Like Stockwell Park where we went last year.
If you haven't seen it, go
Check it out now. And yeah, so that might be a little cute surprise vlog that we'll have coming. So yeah, we'll start filming a little montage of what we're up to tonight.
If you like it,
And the fireworks.
smash that like button.
And if you like this video, please smash the like button and subscribe. It would mean everything to us because once we get to 200, we're gonna have another party,
Woo! Which is even bigger.
which is even bigger than 100, right?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we'll see you soon.
When we get 1,000, we're gonna have a big party!
Yes, we are gonna hire out like a venue and stuff for that. Anyway, bye guys. I feel like it's gonna crackle and pop like that. Whoa! I got that video. That was so weird. You can't really clap. Oh no! Nanny's gonna kill you! Oh my god! Let's play Okay, I'm gonna draw something, okay?
Quick, because it's going to go. Well, it won't.
I've forgotten.
I'm going to draw some then. Go on, you draw then.
Oh! No, I have something, I think.
That's
easy.
Oh, okay.
What's that bench?
Colour.
I'm drawing, yeah. Okay, flower. A unicorn.